Parts A and B of Medicare leave some substantial gaps in your healthcare coverage. So today we're going to look at what Medicare doesn't cover. I'll give you a 30-second overview of Parts A and B of Medicare, and then I'll get into 5 things that are not covered by Medicare, and then also what we can do to fill in those gaps. But before I do, I just want to say welcome back, or if I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller, and I run a wealth management firm, Streamline Financial, with my business partner, Tim, and we help people plan for their ideal retirement. If you're currently working with an advisor, but all they do is investments and they're not experts in retirement income planning and tax planning or withdrawal strategies, please reach out to me to see if there's anything more you could be doing to make your retirement picture even better. So, after you turn 65, Parts A and B, commonly known as Original Medicare or Traditional Medicare, they pay a substantial percentage of your medical expenditures. Part A can cover inpatient hospital stays or skilled nursing facility stays, some surgery and hospice care, even certain home health care. And then Part B, more like medical insurance, assists with the payment of doctor's appointments or outpatient treatments, and some preventative services, and even sometimes medical equipment and supplies. But here are the things that are not covered. Number 1 is prescription drugs. Outpatient prescription medicines are not covered by Medicare, but you may purchase a separate Part D prescription drug insurance or Medicare Advantage plan that covers both medical and drug expenditures. You can sign up for Part D when you start Medicare, or you can also alter policies during the open enrollment period in usually autumn. It'll be important to compare the prices and benefits of Part D or Medicare Advantage plans for your individual drugs that you need. The second thing not covered is long-term care, and this can be one of the most significant retirement costs. A few examples of costs these are 2020 numbers, and this is from Genworth. A private room in a nursing home costs about a little bit over $100K per year. A room in an assisted living facility could cost around $51, $52K. Again, these are averages over the US. And then even 44 hours per week of home health care can cost around $54, $55K per year. Some skilled nursing services are covered by Medicare, but not custodial care, such as assistance with washing or dressing or those other activities of daily living. To cover these costs, you can get a long-term care insurance plan or a policy that might combine life insurance and long-term care together. So there's a few different options out there. The third thing not covered by Medicare is the majority of dental care. Routine dental checkups, teeth cleanings, fillings, dentures, tooth extractions, those are not covered by Medicare. Basic cleanings and x-rays can be covered by certain Medicare Advantage plans, although they usually have a $1,500 annual coverage maximum. A second dental insurance policy or dental discount plan could be an option to provide that coverage if you're looking for that. Another option is to save money in an HSA or a health savings account before you turn 65, before you start Medicare. And you may be able to use that money really almost like tax-free to pay for medical, dental, other out-of-pocket expenses, even when you're over age 65. So quick note, once you turn 65 or once you start Medicare, you're not able to contribute anymore to those HSAs. There are a few more things that we're going to go over that are not covered by Medicare. But first, if you like videos like this that are focused just on retirement, and if it's useful for you, please subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. You can expect about 1 video per week from me about various retirement planning topics. Now on to the fourth thing that's not covered by Medicare, that's routine vision care. Routine eye exams and glasses are usually not covered by Medicare. Now there are some exceptions for annual eye exams if you have diabetes or if you had a certain kind of cataract surgery and you need eyeglasses as a result after that surgery. However, some Medicare Advantage plans offer vision coverage, or you might be able to purchase a separate supplementary insurance that covers both vision and dental coverage. And if you do put money in that health savings account before enrolling in Medicare, you could probably use that for glasses and contact lenses or prescription sunglasses, other vision-related out-of-pocket expenses at any age, even past age 65. Now on to the fifth thing that's not covered by Medicare is overseas medical care. Except in extreme situations, Medicare typically does not cover care when traveling outside of the United States, such as even cruise trips that are 6 hours out of a US port. However, Medigap plans like C or G, M, or N, those could cover up to 80% of the costs of emergency care overseas. And then some Medicare Advantage plans include some coverage for emergency medical treatment outside of the US, Alternatively, you can get travel insurance coverage that covers some of the medical expenditures while you're outside of the US. So those are the 5 things not covered by Medicare. And I hope this video was helpful for you as you're thinking about this next stage of life. If it was, please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to talk about retirement or whatever really questions you have on your mind. Take care.